Assalamualaikum. I love Big Boss a lot. Big Boss is my favorite show because of Salman Bhai. He's my mentor. Like from the childhood, I have seen his movie and I've grown up and I want to be a hero after seeing him. ইদানিং বিগ বসে coincidentally হবে নাকি I don't know. I love to do pranks. Big Boss. There's a program one day like they are doing pranks. Then my movie is releasing Ami Tomar Raja Tumi Amar Rani and Rahul Vedder entered the show again and he said मैं तेरा राजा तू मेरी रानी. uh, After that, today is the day 25th December. My movie is releasing and today there is a song they have played. uh, ओ मितवा ओ मितवा तुझको क्या डर है रे, ये धरती अंबर है अपना अंबर है रे. Oh Raja Ray, what seriously I forgot the song. सारे जहाँ का राजा है तू. লাগান ছবির গানটা ছিল. Like I love that, yeah. আমার জিনরা খেলতেছে নাকি Salman Bhai is my real brother. By the way, I love Salman Khan. Um, he's the best. And it's time to be a Raja because আল্লাহ যার ভাগ্যে রাজ্য লিখে রাখে সে কখনো রাস্তায় থাকে না. Love you and pray namaz and do whatever you want to do, yeah. Otherwise, a big earthquake is coming and boom.